Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, you will know the basics of how to navigate through a file using fewer controls.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now back to the video.
So first of all, open putty, enter the IP address, enter the login username, press enter, enter the password. Press enter. Then give the command man. It will open the man page or manual page. Here let me maximize the window. This is the whole manual page that you can see in your screen. A man page is a form of software documentation that you can see in Unix or Unix-like OS. Here you see pages covering topics of computer programs, including library and system calls, formal standards and conventions, and even abstract concepts. So to navigate the man page, press up and down key to scroll up and down one line at a time. Like you can see, I am scrolling down, pressing the down key, and now I will scroll up with the up key. Press bar to scroll down a page like this, and press B key to scroll up a page like this. You can search within the text using the / key. Put the search term, like I'm going to put in here, file, and I'm going to press enter to search. Here you can see it has bring back the search results. So press N to jump to the next search result like this. I'm pressing the N key and it is showing me the next search result containing the word file. After it is done, press Q to exit. And it will take you back to the CLI window. Type exit and you will log out of the session and the window. This is how you navigate a text file with less. Thank you.